Hello, I am Jenny Hopgood, and I'm the new chorus teacher at South Granville High School. I'm excited to be here. I'm originally from Durham, but I've lived in Creedmoor the last 13 years with my family, and I'm actually returning to Granville County Schools. I taught here 8 years ago now at Creedmoor Elementary for just one little short year. After that, I've been in Durham at Voyager Academy, where I was the high school chorus teacher there, and we had a thriving program, concert choir and show choir. We were nationally competitive and nationally award-winning show choir, so I'm gonna drop a few videos in here of some past show choir performances if you're not familiar with that, but think Glee, but not. So anyway, I'm just excited to be coming on board at South Granville, joining the School of the Arts here. We are a school of choice for the arts, and so you're in a great place, and I'm excited to meet you guys and see what we can do together. I know the last year and a half has been crazy and you haven't really been allowed to sing, but that changes this year. So we get to sing again, perform again, and I'm just really excited to bring back this thriving program here at South Granville and in Granville County Public Schools. Since I'm not going to get to meet all of you in open house like I normally would, and going to have to wait till Monday when school starts, just a few things before open house. There's a wish list, a classroom wish list. You'll see racquetballs or tennis balls. If anybody happens to have used either of those, I would love them. This class, we will learn to read music in a fun way, and I use manipulatives much like you would do in math, but with balls. So I need a lot of them. I need a class set. So if anybody happens to have even just a few, we can put them all together to make a class set. I also need some clear sheet protectors, as you can see on the list, colorful printer paper to make some games and things with that. That would be great. If anybody just wants to get like a small multi-pack, it's great. And then our daily classroom supplies, we'll go over all of those details in the first week of class. Students, we will be using Canvas, and if you're not familiar with that, don't worry. It's easy to access. You go to NC Ed Cloud, just like you access PowerSchool Haiku, and it's a very easy system to use. Parents, you'll be able to monitor your kids' grades through there and stuff as well. So the other thing I want to mention is please, each class sign up for the Remind text, both chorus and my music appreciation students. If you would, students, sign up for the Remind text, and parents, you're welcome to as well. That is just a very easy way for me to communicate with you quickly, short updates and info. That's all for now. I'm excited to be here, excited to meet you guys, and I hope you enjoy these last couple days of summer before school starts on Monday, the 23rd. See you then.